Well, it's about 3:30, 4 o'clock in the morning here, and as you can hear, we're heading towards a river, and it's very dark. This is the Casabajo River, which used to be a creek, and is now, this is the side of the road here. And all in here used to be a nice walking trail, and as you can see, it's not a walking trail anymore. And here we are. This is the side of the road, which is now a river. There. God, Jesus. It's a lot of water. There's a lot of water here. Jesus Christ. There's the bridge, which is no longer as that river just completely engulfed that bridge. Pretty serious flooding here. Wow. Unreal. I've never seen anything like that. This is all just a lake. This is just a tiny little creek. That's all. This is all a big lake now. Wow. Unreal. Can't even get on top. I can't even get to the bridge. If I... Wow. Unreal. Oh, look at that. See them going up like that. It's completely over the bridge. Anyways, wow, that is something else. That is something else. This is all a big lake now. Basically, this used to be a nice walking trail. I'll have to come back and take some more footage of this during the day.